Have you ever dreamed of a home that works smarter, not harder? Imagine waking up to your blinds opening automatically, your coffee brewing, and your thermostat already set to the perfect temperature, all without lifting a finger. Welcome to 2025, where smart homes are no longer a luxury but a standard. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up a smart home that's efficient, easy to use, and tailored to your lifestyle. Let's dive into the future together. Before we jump into the details, make sure to subscribe to this channel. We're here to guide you through the latest trends in technology, making your life easier and more connected. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. What we'll cover: choosing the right smart home ecosystem, essential devices for a smart home, smart assistants, Alexa, Google, or Siri, setting up smart lighting, smart thermostats for energy efficiency, security and surveillance systems, entertainment, smart TVs and audio systems, integrating smart kitchen gadgets, connecting everything for seamless control. 1. Choosing the right smart home ecosystem. First, let's talk ecosystems. A smart home runs on a system that connects all your devices. The major players are Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Before buying anything, decide which ecosystem works best for you. Are you an Apple loyalist? Go with HomeKit. Love Google services? Opt for Google Home. Want maximum compatibility? Alexa might be your best bet. Choose one and stick to it to avoid compatibility issues. 2. Essential devices for a smart home. Now that you've chosen an ecosystem, let's discuss the must-have devices. Start small with a smart speaker or display. It'll act as the control hub for your home. From there, consider smart plugs, motion sensors, and cameras. These basic devices are easy to set up and give you a taste of what a smart home can do. 3. Smart assistants, Alexa, Google, or Siri. Your smart assistant will be the voice of your home. It helps you control devices, manage schedules, and even answer random questions. Alexa is known for its wide compatibility. Google Assistant excels at answering questions and syncing with Android, and Siri integrates beautifully with Apple devices. Choose the assistant that fits your preferences. 4. Setting up smart lighting. Lighting can completely transform your home. Smart bulbs let you change colors, dim lights, or set schedules, all through voice commands or an app. You can start with a single room and expand as you get comfortable. Philips Hue and Lifts are great options for high-quality, user-friendly smart lighting systems. 5. Smart thermostats for energy efficiency. Want to save money and reduce your carbon footprint? A smart thermostat learns your schedule and adjusts the temperature to save energy when you're away. Brands like Nest and Ecobee are top choices in 2025, with advanced AI features that make climate control effortless. 6. Security and surveillance systems. Feeling safe at home is priceless, and smart security systems offer peace of mind. From doorbell cameras like Ring to advanced surveillance systems, you can monitor your property in real time from your smartphone. Some systems even include two-way audio, letting you communicate with visitors or scare off intruders. 7. Entertainment. Smart TVs and audio systems. Who doesn't want an amazing home entertainment experience? Smart TVs now come with built-in assistants and seamless integration with streaming platforms. Pair them with a smart sound system like Sonos or Bose for theater-quality audio that's fully voice-controlled. 8. Integrating smart kitchen gadgets. Let's not forget the heart of the home, the kitchen. Smart appliances like refrigerators that track your groceries, coffee makers that brew on schedule, and ovens you can preheat remotely are game changers. These gadgets not only save time but also make cooking more enjoyable. 9. Connecting everything for seamless control. Finally, tie it all together with a smart home hub or app. Most ecosystems, like Alexa or Google Home, allow you to control everything from one place. Customize routines, like a good night command that turns off lights, locks doors, and lowers the thermostat, all with a single phrase. Congratulations! You're now ready to transform your home into a smart haven for 2025. From choosing the right ecosystem to integrating devices seamlessly, these steps will make your life easier, safer, and more fun. What smart device are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech-savvy tips. See you in the next video.